Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this particular video, we are going to learn about that how to handle the validation error in MongoDB. So, validation error occurs when your inserted data does not follow the rule that you define in the validation schema. As you can see here, I have defined the validation schema for my collection student. Right here, for the validator, I have defined the JSON type is object and the required fields are name, city, and the marks. For the name, the properties are that it should have a string, and if it not, then it will give the description that it must be a string and it is required. The city as the string and the marks as integer between the range 0 to 100. This is the complete schema rule for this particular collection. You can create your own also, right? So in case if I'm not inserting the data with this particular rule, it will give me an error. But I don't want a error to come. Rather than this, I want that it should give me a clean and the printed message about what the problem is and what the error is. That's it. So that's how we handle the validation error, right? So we can do this with the help of the try catch block in MongoDB. Now how we use the try catch block, that's what I'm going to explain you. So if I try to insert a wrong data, right? So let's say that db.students dot insert one like this, and inside of it, if I insert the name as, let's say, Raj, right, and the city as, let's say, Pune, marks as, let's say, 105, which is against our rule, right, because marks should be between 0 to 100. So this is the point where the validation will break, right? So let's just enter, and you can see I'm getting a very long error, right? That means I don't want this kind of long error. I just want a single line to get printed beautifully and tell me that what is the error, right? For that purpose, we use the try catch block. How we use it? Just write try. Inside of this, write the query. So let's say that I write a query again. If I copy it and write it here, so it will give me a error, right? You know this one, right? So after that, let's just close it. Sorry, let's close it. So this is inside the try block, and after that, for the catch block, write the catch here like this and put a bracket and write e. Now this e will catch that error. So rather than just giving this all, the error came inside this e, and with the help of this e, what I'm going to do, I'm going to write print validation error like this, fine, plus e. So that error is now stored inside e, and now if I print it, let's close the bracket, and if I press enter, you will see it has given me simply the validation error that document failed the validation. That's it, right? So this is how we handle it, right? So in case that getting all these long detail, the simple single line and clean message that validation failed for this particular document, right? So this is how we handle the error, or you can say the validation error in MongoDB. And this is all about today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.